Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a game to a group so it's easier to manage them and find them so you can start playing them. So on the home screen here, if you go over to the icon, you can press the button with the 3 lines on it for more options, and you can go to add to group. So let's create a new group right here. Otherwise we can add it to an existing one. So I have like Halo games or suggested, so we can go to this and just type in FPS, something like that. So let's do that, FPS. And then go to the 3 little lines again. So that is going to be added. Then we can go to Call of Duty and do the same thing. And go to add to group. And then I already have one created, FPS. Then I can press the Xbox button. Go to My Games and Apps. And we should be able to find our groups on here. So I have Halo Games FPS. So I can just open these up and then click on the game through this method as well. So I can also go to My Games and Apps right here, and then go to See All, and then I can go to my games and I can add the games to my groups this way as well. So add a group. So this is Diablo. I haven't played this in a long time, but I can just add it to games. And it'll be a lot easier to click on them. So here's groups overall. And I should be able to find my categories under here, games, Rocket League, or you can just add it right here, add more. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.